Allison. Welcome to Forest Escape.
Today it's a normal day making repairs and changing things all around the homestead.
Today I'm grinding off a chain to fix a door latch.
I am using the Dremel with a heavy-duty cutting wheel.
It is actually hot. The Dremel works pretty well for cutting this off. Now I have a length of chain that will work. I put new chain on the pop-out door because they keep chewing off the nylon rope with the hook. So now with the chain, they won't be biting it off or trying to eat some of the hardware. This latch was attached with nylon cord and a small chain, and now I've replaced it with a big chain. So now when you pull on it, the door opens, and it's relatively easy to pull it from this side. When you want to get in, just grab it and pull.
When you do things that are cheaper, it ends up being something that's temporary, and in the end you have to make something that's more durable and functional for a long-term solution.
Everybody enjoys the sunshine and eating scratch. Hello, Scar. Scar originally we thought was a girl. We had named her Scarlet. So we have some girls with saddles, and we have a couple that need saddles due to overmating. I rolled up the tarp on the side of the run, and everybody's really happy about that. They've been holding their wings out and cooling their armpits. I also replaced the chain holding the jail door open because they've been locking themselves in the jail because they must be doing a lot of activity. Like maybe the roosters are having an attitude problem or something. Hello, Scar. So this barjack is suffering from overmating. So I'm just going to spray the wound purple, and I'm going to give her a nice saddle. And she's probably not gonna like it because the bardrack seem to have a little bit of an attitude. Just a little. Oh, yes. I know, you know what it is, and you don't like it. But we have to put it on. We're just gonna put it on like this. And we do have the belly strap on this one. try to see if we can get her to keep it on. She might not want to keep it on. Oh, come on, girl. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to be famous. Yeah, you're going to be on the YouTube. What do you think? Yeah, is that okay? Yeah. Let's be on the YouTube and be a happy girl. All right, so let's see. Oh, I know. Oh. Yes, you tell Roosty all about it. Say, I'm an unhappy girl, and she's putting one of these saddles on me, and I hate it. I do hate it. But now, I'm all protected. See? We're all protected. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay, baby. Yes, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah.
So this is Blu-Kote, and you can get it in this kind of spray, but I find that this nozzle kind of plugs up, and maybe somebody knows a secret to unplug it easily, but I find it difficult to use. This seems to stay better, so I use the pump spray, but this is great for any kind of red wound because the chickens will peck anything red. So if you spray it purple or blue, they call it blue, then they're not going to get pecked in their wound. So it's definitely a good product to buy, and it promotes healing.
This little girl is getting plucked. They're not only overmating, but the girls are plucking her feathers and picking on her. So, I'm not sure why. But we're just gonna... Oh, come on now. Oh, you're alright. It's okay. We're gonna try to protect you. Yeah. We need to protect you from those mean old girls. Yeah. Some of those little hens are not so nice. Yeah. They're not so nice. We need to give them a spanking, huh? Yeah. They're being mean to you. And they've been pecking on you, and it's not nice. Alright, baby girl. You're alright now, see? All is good. All is good. All is good. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Mommy's trying to take care of you. Yeah, I'm trying to take care of you. I am. The nesting boxes have just a nylon rope on them. So that's not really good enough. I'm going to try to put a chain on here and see how that will work. I think it's got to be a lot shorter. Closed, it can just hang, but when I want it to be open, I want it to be really strong. So I would say I can make it kind of this length right here. We can do away with the nylon cord because the nylon cord, they like to chew it in half. Okay, so that's not quite short enough either. I've got overkill on chain here, but I have to get the Dremel to cut it off again. So I'm just gonna try to do this quickly. And it requires a little trial and error. Let's see how this goes. Maybe like that. That'll work. Absolutely. Okay, so now we have a solution. It's too long. We'll cut it off a different day, but for right now, it's good enough. So that's being held open so they can easily lay eggs. And we basically do have quite a few eggs in the nesting box right now, so that's really good. And if I dismount this camera quickly and we look in here, we're going to be able to see a lot of eggs in each nesting box. Some pretty green ones, and some pink and mauve and brown ones. There's a lot of sawdust here, and I wasn't sure why until I looked up. And in that top beam, there are holes drilled by the bees. You can see the holes drilled up in there. These are like carpenter bees or something. And they drill big holes. This is the Permethrin that my husband uses to spray for all of the bees, and it works really good to get rid of the wasps and those carpenter bees and all those different ones that are really taking over our porches and outdoor areas. So this works really good to spray it. You just can't spray it on wires, and you do need to wear goggles and gloves and a hoodie. So we have some plants in the greenhouse. Potatoes, new planted potatoes, and all the different little seedlings that I need to pot. And there are some up there, plus the blueberries. So the culprits are caught. They've been attacking my seedlings that I brought out to the greenhouse. Very naughty. And they're stealing the peanut butter off the trap. And the trap didn't spring.
So this was a typical day with all kinds of different repairs and fixes and caring for the hens and working on the run and the coop and gates and things like that. So it's just a normal day.
Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.